fact number 2. Guess what? Forgot. But keep doing. I'm gonna cut it out. Random fact number 2. I decided that it's not gonna be just blood-related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica. Hello, boom bang, konnichiwa, wagwan. What's up, my people? You know, this is Katie from the One Big Irish family. If you're just joining, if you're just seeing my video, welcome. Thank you for coming over. Please subscribe so that you can get more and click the bell, of course, and please like, share, comment. In this video, I am going to be sharing 5 random facts about myself. Who cares? Yeah, some persons do care. So yeah, let's learn a little bit about me. Random fact number 5. I'll be doing a countdown. So random fact number 5. I've been a Christian for 16 years. Have I been perfect? No, not at all. But God has been perfect, and He has been great, and He has really been keeping me. He's faithful. I'm not faithful, but He is, thank God. Random fact number 4. My parents were happy Valentine's Day or Valentine's week within that time period, and they were lovey-dovey, and you know, they did the thing and so forth, and I came forth. So yeah, I believe I was planned. Yeah, I was born on November 5th, so Valentine's week they did the thing and I came forth. Yeah. Random fact number 3. I graduated from primary school at the age of 10. I did common entrance and I passed the first chance. Who know about common entrance? Stack up the things. Yeah, and I went to Spanish Town High School. Random fact number 2. What will that be? Random fact number 2 is that I am crazy. Driver, you're the pioneer work, you know. What I have work, I have places to go and things to do.
Just as bad.
Just what am I doing? Everybody say what? Driver.
Malate.
Malate, you know. When I went on the train, I almost feel on a social distancing. Now, I really and I'm truly asking persons not to report me to Bellevue, because that's why I ran away from Jamaica. Yeah, I am crazy. I like to make people laugh. I like to make people happy, even when I'm not. So, and I am crazy. If you watch my videos, you'll see I dance for everything. I dance when I'm cooking. I dance when I'm shopping. I dance when... Yeah, I'm not always happy, but I'm a positive person. Random fact number 1. Who can guess that what that one's? I'm almost 40 years old. Yes, I am very, very, very close to 40, and I'm gonna tell you something right now. You see, all of the people who know my age and my family member them don't come and comment about me how much. You understand me? Is when I get to 40, I will tell you guys. So you gotta stay tuned, okay? Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be the next birthday, which is November, or it's gonna be the next November, or the next November, or the... you gotta stay tuned. So if you have not yet subscribed, you gotta do that and keep abreast of what is going on, because I will announce my 40th birthday and you all will be invited to my pool house. Well, it may not be pool house, but yeah, I want to have my party in my own home. That's right, I don't own a home right now, so yeah, that's my dream for my 40th birthday. And if you don't think that I look like almost 40, if I look older or younger, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. And guess what? Don't forget to drop a like, no man. Drop a like, no man. Share, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye. Boom, bang, I'm out. Bonus fact, I've never held a dog like this before. He made me so happy.